Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin itong post ni Brigadier General De Leon tungkol ito sa kawawang kalagayan ng mga sundalo natin. Pinangakuan sila ng increase sa kanilang daily food allowance. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin. Ito, sabi ni General De Leon, basahin ko ang post. Hayan. According to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the 350 pesos subsistence or food allowance for soldiers have been successfully incorporated into the signed 2025 General Appropriations Act. Yehey! Okay, the question now is, when is it going to be successfully released so that the soldiers can successfully enjoy it? Diba, it was successfully pinagyabang about by Martin Romualdez in front of general officers that resulted into a successfully extracted commitment of "We will watch your back." Mamaya, iparinig ko sa iyo itong tawag ni Speaker Martin Romualdez kay AFP Chief of Staff General Browner tungkol itong pangakong increase pagkain allowance ng mga sundalo. Kung sa bagay, habang hindi pa nare-release yung budget, pwede naman ulamin muna ang piniritong budget. Wow! Ano kayang lasa ng piniritong budget? Budget gisado? Tinortang budget? Pinak-budget? Pinakbet? Pinak-budget? Nilagang budget? Inihaw na budget? Kinilaw na budget? At sinampalukang budget? Martin Romualdez, anak ng baka, bulahan lang ata tayo Marso na. Bukas, kahapon siya nagpost Marso na ngayon. Wala pa rin yung pinangako. Ito na yung tawag ni Speaker Martin Romualdez sa mga sa mga generals natin. Andali.
Hi, Chief Ronnie.
Please, everyone.
Yan na si Romualdez.
To our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed but has been approved and it's being signed right now. We will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell them.
Palakpak. Kasi approve na daw ang budget
That's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as the Speaker in the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo. And we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat.
Salamat, sir.
Okay.
I will relate this, sir, to the troops on the ground, and then I will include this in my speech during the AFP anniversary.
So the decide here in the BICAM that will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold.
Yes, sir.
So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in Zambales to you and to the troops. Mabuhay.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat, sir.
We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th at Aguinaldo.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Thank you.
Magandang regalo ito sa mga sundalo, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
Yes,
We assured him more for next year. So, thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Salamat. Salamat.
So, yeah, that was December, ano? And ako, personally, nung marinig ko yan, tuwan-tuwa din ako. Kasi ang laking tulong yan sa mga sundalo, ma-increase ang food allowance from 150 to 350. Ang laking bagay niyan. Kaya lang, pangako eh. Sabi niya, basta ang ganda yung salita niya, basta nagsalita tayo, gagawin natin, we will deliver. Ito na ngayon, sinisingil ni General De Leon. Anak ng baka, bulahan lang ata tayo. Ito, ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, may statement. DZMM Teleradio. Sabi na, the Armed Forces of the Philippines denied fake news saying that the 300 pesos daily allowance for military personnel was not approved. So, no problem, approved. Sabi ng AP, contrary to these misleading reports, the 350 daily allowance increase has been successfully incorporated into the approved 2025 General Appropriations Act ayon sa AFP. So, ano yon? Hanggang papel lang, approve lang. Ang sundalo, kailangan niya cash. We need cash. Kaya nga, nakakatawa itong si General De Leon. Pwede. Sige. Ang ulam ng sundalo, piniritong budget. Ano, kaya kung kayo ang sundalo, pinangakuan kayo, ina-expect mo na, January, wala. February, wala. Marso na ngayon. Anong pakiramdam ng sundalo ngayon? O, di ba? Masaya ba sila? O, meron ng ano. Anyway, sana. I-release na yung pundo. Kaya approve naman kaya. Bakit? Nasaan ang pera kung approve? Yan ang problema kung wala ng pundo, wala ng pera. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong palaging panonood. Ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito, tinutulong natin sa Tribong Talaandig sa Bukidnon. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para ma-repair nila ang sira-sira nilang bahay or makapagpatayo ng bahay